This is a quick 3-minute video on completing the article paraphrase assignment. So first of all, why do you even have to paraphrase your article? What's the point? Well, paraphrasing it is to ensure that you understand what the article is about before you start researching it, and to help you put it into words that your audience will understand. Remember, you will need to do this at the beginning of your presentation. The first thing you're going to do is go back to the article and copy and paste the original text of your article in this box. And then what you're going to do is read it out loud to yourself or in your own head. Article 27, nothing in this declaration may be interpreted as implying for any state, group, or person any right to engage in any activity or to perform any act aimed at the destruction of any of the rights and freedoms set forth herein. Now that's some pretty high-level language and academic and legal, and no one really talks that way. So what I did was I went through and I identified words that I wasn't really sure about, such as interpreted, implying, act, set forth herein. I mean, who says that? And I put it under word gaps. And you know what we do with word gaps is we look them up online and we read through all the different definitions. And the reason we do that is because we have to be critical thinkers and we have to think about which definition is most appropriate for the sentence we're looking at. Now, after you've kind of decided which words are most appropriate and you have a better understanding of the words, then you're going to go back and you're going to rewrite your article using your new understanding. So my article now is paraphrased, and it says, nothing in the declaration should be understood as a suggestion that a person or country should do anything that would destroy any of the rights that are contained in this document. So go ahead and go to Google Classroom, find the assignment sheet, complete it, and then ask Mrs. Spall or Simpson for feedback. Remember, you have to get their approval on your paraphrase before you really move forward.